Unraveling Idioms, Understanding, a Closed Chapter. Hello everyone! In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions. We'll unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, a closed chapter. This phrase is not just a collection of words but a gateway to understanding subtle nuances in English communication. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together. A closed chapter is an idiom that signifies the end of a particular period or event in one's life, especially one that is considered to be over and not worth returning to. It's often used to represent closure or the conclusion of certain experiences. The word closed implies finality, and chapter likens life or experiences to a book, where each significant phase is a chapter. This phrase is versatile and can be used in both personal and professional contexts. For instance, personal context. After a long and difficult breakup, Mia finally considered her relationship with Jake a closed chapter, focusing on her personal growth and future. Professional context. After the merger, the company's old policies became a closed chapter, paving the way for new guidelines and a fresh start. It's a powerful expression to convey moving on or indicating a significant change in one's life or organization. While a closed chapter is quite descriptive, there are other idioms with similar meanings that you might find useful. Turn the page implies moving forward from past experiences, but with less emphasis on finality. New leaf focuses more on the beginning of a new phase rather than the end of the old one. Water under the bridge, used to describe past events that are no longer considered important or worth worrying about. Each expression carries its unique shade of meaning, so choosing the right one depends on the context and the emotion you wish to convey. And that's a wrap on A Closed Chapter. We hope this video helps you understand and use this idiom confidently in your conversations and writings. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about expressing your journey through life, one chapter at a time. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more intriguing expressions in future videos.